Welcome back to another video, guys. Now, if you notice behind me, I have the C5 up in the air already. That's because we're gonna be installing a front splitter on the C5 today. Now, huge thanks to Extremeonlinestore for sending me this front splitter and sponsoring this video. This thing looks awesome, and I am super excited to throw it on this car. If you're looking for aftermarket stuff for your car, like a front splitter or a rear wing, or really anything, be sure to check out Extremeonlinestore because their quality is good and their prices are even better. Now, we're gonna jump straight on into installing this front splitter, first by taking off the side air dams on both sides right here. There's some 7mm on the rear, I believe, that we have to remove to take these off. All right, got the front splitter kind of mocked up on the C5 already, supported by the jack stand and kind of anchored on both sides. Now we're gonna add a couple rivets on the front. So I'm just gonna start honestly drilling in the front bumper. Just making holes in between the self-tapping screws to put some rivets. Now, if you've never used rivets to install stuff on your car, let me tell you, these things are freaking awesome. They're way stronger than self-tappers, and they're gonna add a little bit of extra strength that we need. Oh, let's see here. Come on now. Get up in the hole. There we go. All right, I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. Well, all right, guys, I think I have the front splitter fully installed. I probably have like 40 rivets on the bottom side of this thing. I was just drilling holes literally like every ½ inch around here and putting in a rivet. But it is, I'm talking about, dude, it is so sturdy now. So I'm about to drop this car down and we're gonna see what it looks like on the actual ground. There she is, guys. Carbon fiber front splitter from EOS. Extremeonlinestore is installed. That looks great. I ain't gonna lie. That looks really cool. Let's see the front shot. Oh yeah. I think that goes really good with the C5 front end, having the vents on the side. There's another one where the vent is in the middle. I think having the vents on the side kind of goes with the other vents because there's a brake duct right there and then you get a fog light. So I think it looks great. That looks, I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. Now the only thing I'm wondering is how long is this front lip gonna last? Cause she's pretty low, I ain't gonna lie. It's like, I got just a little bit of toe room. So we're gonna see. Maybe we'll do a durability test on the front lip. I think that'd be pretty fun.